Hi, in this video we're going to continue looking at the prototyping features in Figma. So jumping back into our prototype file or prototype page, so far we have started a flow, and if I click on this frame, so we've got the name of the frame here, we haven't got any interactions at this stage. So what I'll do to create an interaction, there's a little plus, so I've clicked on the frame. There's a little plus next to our frame here. If you click and hold and drag it to the next frame, we then get some options, some interaction options pop up. So let's have a look what we have. So we've got different triggers here. So on tap, on drag, while hovering, while pressing, and then we've got some other, mouse enter, mouse leave, touch down, touch up after a certain delay. So we've got plenty of options to play with there. So I'm going to just stick with on tap. The next option is navigate to. So you can change that to open an overlay, swap an overlay, close an overlay. I can scroll to something as well, or open a link. But for now I'm going to use navigate to because I want to navigate to my next frame. And if I click on this drop down, it then tells me the frames that I have in my page. So I want to go to the mobile film page details. So that's already set. You can change them there as well. Animation wise, we've got lots of different animations here. At the moment I've got it set to, or the default by the looks of it is set to move in. Okay, so we've got the different types of animations in here. So we've got instant dissolve, smart animate, move in, move out, push, slide in, slide out. So let's just set to move in for now. We can change the directions, and what's really great with this is we've got a preview window up here. So if you keep moving your mouse in and out of the preview, it shows you what's going to happen. So that brings it in from the top, that brings it in from the bottom. I'm going to slide it in from the right, I think. And there's a tick here for smart animate, matching layers. Animate layers with the same name instead of using the transition above. Cool, so we can use that. You can change the animation further here. So we've got it set to ease in out, which is fairly common. But we've got some other options down here. I'll just show you a few at the bottom. So we've got gentle, so as you can see in the preview, that's what gentle is. Got quick, which is nice and quick. Bouncy, which looks quite cool. Slow, which is nice and slow. And there's a custom one as well, so you can really mess around with the curve in this box here by manipulating the different timings and the curve itself. So if I do this to the curve, that's what the animation will be. So again, you can play around with that and do what you want. I'm going to set it back to ease in and out, and I'll just leave it at 300 milliseconds. So I'm going to close that for now. I'm going to click on the mobile home screen and I'm going to click present up here. I'm going to let it load my prototype, and when it's loaded, right, so I'm going to click anywhere, and there we go, it moves to the next screen. So let's see that again. Let's click back, or you can also click on restart just here. Click there, and it swipes across. Let's restart that again. There we go. Again, it's not perfect. There's probably a few tweaks we can make, but you get the idea. So what I'd encourage you to do now is go into the interactions, connect one of your screens up, and have a play around with all the different settings in here and see what it's capable of. In the next video, what I'll do is I'll connect up the remaining screens. We'll connect up this sub menu here to the different screens across the page. Thanks for getting to the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe or leave any comments, and I'll see you in the next one.